Does an apple a day really keeps the doctor away? Do you know that apple can be included in a balanced diet to help with weight loss? Being high in water content and rich in fiber, apples can promote fullness as well as reduce appetite. It is also a low GI food, which is important for blood sugar control and weight management. Apart from weight control, there are also many nutritional benefits to eating apples on a regular basis. That is the reason why this ingredient is included in many of my recipes. In this video, I will show you 4 new recipes which I have not featured before. Let's get to it.
I bought 1 kg of fresh hot ribs to cook a delicious meat stew with apples. Do you know that adding flour can help to clean the meat with bones more efficiently? Make sure to top up with enough water to cover the ribs. Wash the meat gently with the hands for a couple of minutes. You can see that the water has turned reddish in color due to blood from the ribs. Drain off the water with a sieve. Add the ribs back into the bowl and top with a new supply of water. Wash again for a couple of minutes. Then drain off the water. Rinse the ribs under running water as the final step of cleaning them. Dry the meat with kitchen towels as thoroughly as you can. Press the kitchen towels down so that more water can be absorbed from the ribs. Chop off the top and bottom of carrots. Proceed to chop into bite-sized chunks. Next, chop an apple into halves, then quarters. Remove the seeds and further chop into thinner wedges. I am cooking the ribs in the Dutch oven as it can retain moisture well. Preheat some cooking oil, enough to cover the entire bottom of the Dutch oven. Add the pork ribs into the hot oil and let them sear for a few minutes. Proceed to stir fry the meat for a few minutes. Then add ginger slices, garlic cloves, and bay leaves. Continue the stir fry. Some water may be released as the cooking progresses. Just continue cooking till all or most of the liquid has evaporated. Time to add the seasoning. I am using the usual condiments found in an Asian kitchen, starting with some rock sugar. Mix the rock sugar into the ribs. Proceed to add cooking wine. 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and half to 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Mix everything. It's really fragrant. Chop carrots and stir fry everything together for a few minutes. Add hot water, enough to cover 80 to 90% of the ingredients. Remove impurities from the surface of the liquid. Then cover and simmer the ingredients for around 40 minutes. Look at this pot of beauty. Proceed to add apple wedges and mix into the ingredients. Cover and cook for a further 10 minutes. My mouth is watering just looking at the completed dish. This amount is sufficient for my family of 4, with little chance of any leftovers. The apples are soft, and the ribs are fall off the bone tender. As you can see, mix with some lettuce and mixed rice for a complete meal.
苹果好吃吗？
哇，很甜啊！
你试一下那个排骨，怎么样？
啊，很嫩。
哦，成功。
Sprout an apple with salt all over. Wash and rinse well under running water. Remove the outermost layer of half a purple cabbage and wash thoroughly.
Get the purple cabbage dry with kitchen towels. Chop off the stem, then further cut into thin slices. Place the cabbage slices in a microwave-safe plate and microwave on medium-high for 4 minutes. Dry the apple with paper towels and chop into halves. Remove the stem. Cut half an apple into thin slices, then into strips or matchsticks. Add the cooked purple cabbage into a salad bowl, together with the apple strips. Roughly mix everything and add fresh coriander. Season with fragrant sesame oil, soya sauce, black vinegar, and raw honey. Give a good mix. Top with toasted white sesame seeds. Super refreshing and appetizing. In a high-speed blender, add half an apple that is chopped into bite sizes, 30 grams of raw oats, 3 seedless red dates, and 400 ml of water. Cook this combo using the soy milk function. Add a cover over the blender to block out the noise. Then just let the machine do its magic. Add 200 ml of milk into the beverage. Extremely smooth and delicious, this drink is low in calories and good for digestion. Definitely worth a try. In a bowl, add 40 to 45 grams of oatmeal, chopped apples, and enough milk to cover most of the ingredients. Top with thinly sliced apples for the aesthetics, as well as for more dimension to the mouthfeel when eating. Microwave on medium-high for around 2 to 2.5 minutes. Top with some chocolate peanut butter or any nut butter you like. Don't forget to add lots of cinnamon powder. It goes perfectly well with apples. Mix everything together before eating. I like it more runny, but you can use less milk if you prefer your oatmeal to have a thicker texture.
老公，吃早餐了。
哇！
Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe if you like more recipe videos like this.
Is it good?
Yeah, very good. Wow, I like the crunchiness of the peanut butter and the apple. And then there's a very slight cinnamon aftertaste. Wow, tastes very healthy. Very good, very good.
You can also visit my website for similar recipes on women's health.